everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package from Etsy. I believe it is a project bag, so I'm going to be careful with my scissors for sure. Wouldn't want to cut the fabric. Wouldn't that stink? Oh yay. So this is from a company called By the Bay Yarn Company, hand-dyed yarn and project bags, and I got the large drawstring bag. It was $27 and looks like it was free shipping. Oh no, shipping was $3.75, so it came out to $30.75, and she sent me a nice little handwritten note. It says, "Thank you so much for your order, Wendy." And there's even a 10% coupon. And it's all wrapped all nice like a little present. Has a sticker, says thank you. Oh my goodness. So this is the large project bag. Oh my goodness, and it is canvas. I love her tag. It says By the Bay Yarn Company. And it is super nice. It's all canvas, very well made. There's 2 inside pockets. Look how big this is. It is a pretty large bag. All of her dimensions are on her site, and then it has a nice handle, and then it has the drawstring that I'm sure, because it's a canvas bag, it will get easier with use. But oh my goodness, and she had all sorts of colors and different designs, and this is just beautiful. I love the canvas. I remember saying that she had been sewing for 20 years or something like that, and I mean, it's beautiful. You can really see that she knows what she's doing. And I've tried to make bags and I don't know what I'm doing, and you can tell, but I can also tell when somebody doesn't know what they're doing, and she knows what she's doing. So this is beautiful, and I am super excited to use it. And I love the drawstring, and I love the inside pockets. That's really cool. I don't have those in all of my bags, but I think that they will be very handy. So check her out on Etsy, By the Bay Yarn Company. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.